Something incredible just happened. AMECA, the world's most expressive robot, just got a major upgrade that lets you completely rewrite its identity in seconds. New name, new voice, new job. Boom. Done. Meanwhile, China's Walker S2 now charges itself with zero human input. Leju Robotics is rolling out factory bots with Tencent's backing, and Hyundai, they're throwing humanoids straight into real-world shipyard welding. Yeah, this isn't sci-fi. It's happening now. So let's break it all down. AMECA, the ultra-lifelike humanoid from Engineered Arts, just got a major brain upgrade. You probably know it for those eerily realistic facial expressions that went viral. But now, it's not just mimicking humans, it's doing actual work. The upgrade is called ROS, not the open source one, but a brand new robot operating system built in-house. And it turns AMECA into a plug-and-play digital employee. Through a simple web browser, no coding required, you can assign AMECA a new name, a new language, a unique role, and even specific domain knowledge. In a live demo, founder Will Jackson logged into their platform and transformed the robot in minutes. Want it to speak French and go by Chloe? Done. Need her to be the top-performing paint sales rep in history? Just type that in. Add a product database, turn on computer vision, and she'll scan the room and recommend paint colors based on lighting and surfaces, like she's done it for years. It's all controlled through 5 tabs: identity, language, personality, knowledge, and abilities. 1 minute she's a tour guide, the next she's in customer support, without writing a single line of code. Before this, you'd need engineers, firmware updates, maybe even hardware rewiring. Now, it's drag, drop, and deploy. AMECA is also coming in smaller desktop versions, black, white, or gray, with the same facial precision. Engineered Arts is making it affordable for businesses, schools, and museums. And for the first time, humanoid robots are becoming not just impressive, but practical. UB Tech just unveiled the Walker S2, and this thing is next level. It's the first humanoid that can swap its own battery, no cables, no ports, no humans. When power runs low, it walks to a dock, ejects the dead pack, slots in a fresh one, and keeps going. It takes under 3 minutes, and it's already in live factory environments like NEO, ZEER, and BYD. It uses dual battery modules, a primary and a backup. If one fails mid-task, the robot switches instantly. No reboot, no downtime. Plus, it doesn't always swap. It calculates whether to dock or change batteries based on task urgency. This is called dynamic energy management, and it's what allows 24/7 non-stop operations. What really makes this scalable is that UB Tech didn't lock it to proprietary batteries. They designed a standardized platform so fleets can share modules across factories. Scaling is plug and play. But the real magic is in the cloud. UB Tech built BrainNet, a centralized AI system where multiple robots act like a coordinated swarm. There's a super brain in the cloud doing the big picture thinking, routing, schedules, task distribution, and then each bot has its own sub-brain for movement, decisions, and obstacle avoidance. The whole system runs on advanced AI, multimodal reasoning models, real-time plan updates, transformer-based motion control, semantic SLAM for mapping, adaptive grip manipulation. And this isn't a clunky robot. Walker S2 walks like a human, with balanced steps and the ability to move through cluttered warehouses, forklifts, and workers. Backed by Huawei, the rollout includes edge computing, 5G, and full cloud AI integration, ready to scale across hundreds of facilities. Leju Robotics, also based in China, has been quietly building a robotic workforce since 2016. You might have seen their Alos or QEO models, but now they've introduced the Roand 2, a compact humanoid built for everything from light to heavy factory tasks. They're backed by Tencent, Shenzhen Capital, and others, and were part of Microsoft's Startup Accelerator. What's unique? They're not just building robots, they're building a full-service industrial ecosystem. To 7 regional centers, multiple R&D hubs, dedicated manufacturing bases. Their bots are already in education, healthcare, and even performed at events like the Korea Winter Olympics and Huawei Developer Conference. One highlight, the Kuovo robot, which integrates with the Pengu AI model to run autonomous warehouse tasks, like moving totes in FAW's car plant. While UBTech is all about autonomy and logistics, Leju is building modular, customizable humanoids for specific industries. Finally, let's talk about Hyundai's bold move in shipbuilding. They've teamed up with Germany's Neura Robotics to test humanoids in actual shipyard environments, starting with the 4NE1 model. This bot is being trained to handle extreme tasks like high-heat welding and heavy assembly. And this isn't lab testing, these are real shipyards in South Korea with real-world variables. 4NE1 is equipped with adaptive learning and cognitive abilities, meaning it can be trained for new tasks. To survive in this environment, its hardware is being reinforced, and Hyundai is developing custom tools and AI control systems for precision welding. The first working unit is expected by the end of 2026, with potential commercial deployment in 2027. Now here's the twist. Hyundai owns Boston Dynamics, the makers of Atlas. But even Atlas isn't quite ready for this kind of work, which shows just how fast Neuro Robotics is catching up. Other companies like Persona AI in the US are also developing humanoids for Korean shipyards. This space is heating up fast. Look, a few years ago, these were just flashy demo robots. Now, they're learning, thinking, charging themselves, and showing up to work. This isn't just cool tech anymore, it's solving real labor problems. So what do you think? Are we building helpful coworkers or something we won't be able to control for long? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.